Your car's life is in your hands. Every time you start your car, you're making choices that could add or subtract thousands of miles from its lifespan. Want to know the secret to a car that lasts? Stop these 15 common habits that are quietly killing your engine, transmission, and wallet. Let's dive in and save your ride. 1. Riding the brakes. Is your foot always on the brake pedal? Resting your foot on the brake or riding it while driving overheats pads, warps rotors, and wears calipers unevenly. It also forces your transmission to downshift constantly, accelerating wear. This habit can cut your brake system's lifespan by up to 40%. Use engine braking by easing off the gas early. Keep a safe distance to coast before stopping. Fully release the brake pedal while driving. 2. Ignoring warning lights. That dashboard light isn't just decoration. A glowing check engine or oil pressure light is your car screaming for help. Ignoring it risks misfires, sensor failures, or even total engine damage. A $20 OBD2 scanner, or a free scan at most auto parts stores, can diagnose issues before they cost thousands. Act fast when a warning light appears. Use an OBD2 scanner to pinpoint the problem. Don't drive far with an active oil or battery light. Every mile with a warning light is a bet you'll lose. 3. Revving a cold engine. Are you guilty of this morning mistake? Starting your car on a chilly morning and immediately revving the engine is like sprinting without stretching. Oil needs time to warm up and flow to critical engine parts. Revving too soon causes metal-on-metal grinding, wearing out piston rings, camshafts, and bearings. Studies show 90% of engine wear happens during startup. Let your engine idle for 30-60 seconds before driving. Avoid heavy acceleration until the engine is warm, around 190 degrees Fahrenheit. Use synthetic oil. It flows better in cold temps. Patience here saves you from a hefty repair bill later. 4. Cheap gas and additives. Saving a few cents at the pump? It's costing you more. Low-quality gas lacks detergents that keep injectors and valves clean, leading to carbon buildup. Poor additives or ethanol-heavy blends like E85 in non-flex fuel cars damage fuel pumps and injectors. Top-tier fuels like those from Shell or Exxon are designed to prevent this. Choose top-tier gas. Check the pump label. Avoid additives unless recommended by your manufacturer. Only use E85 if your car is flex fuel compatible. 5. Letting your car sit. Is your car sitting too long? Cars hate being idle. Sitting for weeks lets fluids thicken, fuel degrade, and rust attack rotors. Rodents can chew wiring and batteries die. For long-term storage, use fuel stabilizer and disconnect the battery. Start your car weekly or use a trickle charger. Add fuel stabilizer for extended storage. Keep tires inflated to spec. A little care prevents a costly comeback. 6. Overloading your car. Is your car carrying more than it can handle? Packing your car with too many passengers, cargo, or towing weight stresses the suspension, brakes, and transmission. Overloading causes brake fade, cracked strut mounts, and overheated systems. Check your car's gross vehicle weight rating, GVWR, to stay safe. Know your car's payload and towing limits. Avoid overloading with heavy cargo or too many passengers. Distribute weight evenly when loading. Overloading doesn't just strain your car, it breaks it. 7. Delaying fluid. Flushes. When was the last time you flushed your fluids? Old fluids don't just lubricate, they corrode. Delayed flushes let transmission fluid slip clutches, coolant eat aluminum, and brake fluid boil. Follow these schedules. Transmission every 30,000, 60,000 miles. Brake fluid every 2 years. Coolant every 50,000, 100,000 miles. Stick to manufacturer flush schedules. Use high-quality OEM-approved fluids. Don't wait for fluids to look dirty. Damage starts early. 8. Hard driving on a cold engine. Are you pushing your car before it's ready? Revving or redlining a cold engine before oil reaches 190 degrees Fahrenheit causes uneven piston expansion, bearing wear, and turbo sludge. Synthetic oil helps, but it's not a cure-all. This habit is like running a marathon without warming up. Keep RPMs below 3,000 until the engine warms up. Use synthetic oil for better cold start protection. Warm up gently, not aggressively. A little patience prevents major engine damage. 9. Using the wrong oil. Are you pouring the wrong oil into your engine? Not all oils are created equal. Using the wrong viscosity or type, like putting 10W30 in a car that needs 0W20 synthetic, reduces lubrication and increases wear. Mixing incompatible oils creates sludge, clogging your engine. For example, Honda turbo engines need 0W20, while diesel trucks require high zinc oils. Check your owner's manual for the right oil specs. Stick to OEM recommended oils, not the cheapest option. Avoid topping off with random oils. The wrong oil is like feeding your car junk food. It'll survive, but not for long. 10. Ignoring noises. Is your car trying to tell you something? Ticking, squeaking, or rattling isn't just annoying, it's a warning. A clicking CV joint, squeaking brake pads, or ticking engine could mean serious trouble. Ignoring these sounds leads to costly repairs. Listen for new or unusual noises. Record sounds to share with your mechanic. Diagnose early to avoid bigger issues. 11. Skipping maintenance. Think skipping an oil change saves money? Think again. Your owner's manual isn't just a suggestion, it's your car's lifeline. Ignoring scheduled maintenance lets small issues snowball into catastrophic failures. Dirty spark plugs cause misfires, old coolant corrodes radiators, and neglected transmission fluid burns clutches. Over 60% of drivers delay maintenance, thinking it's no big deal. Follow your manual's maintenance schedule religiously. Use apps or calendar alerts to stay on track. Keep service records to boost resale value. 12. Neglecting tires. Are your tires secretly sabotaging your car? Tires affect fuel economy, handling, and braking. Neglecting them wears out shocks, struts, and wheel bearings. Rotate tires every 6,000, 8,000 miles, balance every 12,000 miles, and check pressure monthly with a manual gauge. 13. Ignoring your instincts. Does your car feel off? Your intuition is a powerful tool. Strange shifts, odd smells, or sluggish acceleration often signal problems before warning lights appear. Trust your gut and investigate early. 14. Wrong coolant. Are you using the wrong coolant? Mixing incompatible coolants or using the wrong type creates sludge and corrosion. For example, GM needs Dex Cool, while Asian cars often require Haute or Faute. Always flush with distilled water to avoid buildup. 15. Skipping brake inspections. When did you last check your brakes? Worn brake pads can grind rotors and damage calipers, doubling repair costs. Listen for squeaks, check fluid levels, and replace pads before they hit 3 mm thickness. In conclusion, ready to make your car last? A long-lasting car isn't luck. It's about breaking bad habits and building good ones. Stop these 15 mistakes and your car could easily hit 100,000 miles or more. Which habit are you guilty of? Share in the comments and let's help each other keep our cars running strong. Found this video helpful? Tap the bell for more videos, share your thoughts in the comments, and thanks for watching.